Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can easily make the chroma key or green screen effect for your video in Kinemaster. So many YouTube videos are really lame, honestly, on this topic, because what you need is two layers to apply chroma key effect. You can't have one layer. Let me show you. When I go to media and I'm going to upload I don't know, where is it, camera, and now I have a footage here. When I'm going to click on my video, let's say that I don't want my green flower to be here. I don't have it here. What you need to do is go to layer, media. Now, for example, choose background color. I don't know, this is green. Okay, but this won't work because what you need is to have how would I say, you need to have video on a video or video on a screen. So again, let's delete this, let's create media, background, let's create, I don't know, yellow background. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to media. No. Click on your background now. Layer, media, camera. I'm going to upload my footage here. Okay. And now you will see it here, chroma key. Enable. Key color, green. Like that. So it needs to be, wait a second. Like that. Okay. When I'm going to click on my video, chroma key. Yep, like this. We just need to play around it. As you can see, the yellow, we can see the yellow there right now. Okay. But we need to play around it much more. So have it all green, like this. Like this. And when we are going to see that, for example, this is not green, this is green, but we can see it. So this is complete normal. Like that, this should be it, right? Yep. And everything what is green is just yellow. So this is how chroma key and green screen works. You need to have two layers. You can't just have one layer and make a green screen effect. You need to have a video and video overlaid. You can't have video and make a green screen on it. So this is what you need to be careful of. And this is what I wanted to show you. So, and then you're just playing with it. It's really easy, it's really simple. But right now I don't have any green screen footage, but if you have, that's how we do it. So thank you very much everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, yeah, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And write me in the comments what other problems you got in Kinemaster and I will solve it for you. Thank you and goodbye.